Howdy fellas, I hope you're having a good week. Last video we did, we were talking about cleaning your muzzle loader, and from time to time I get to looking around online the catalogs and I run across stuff and I think, well, that might be useful. One of the things I stumbled across was a little bore light for muzzle loaders that's made by Ox Yoke Originals, and the way it works, it's got a long stud and a short stud on it, and what you do, you unscrew it and you put that long stud in the flak jacket. Ain't anything to eat, buddy. And you screw that long stud in there and it turns that light on. I hope you can see that. Okay, it's designed to thread that onto a cleaning rod with an 832 thread. I'm going to tell you right now, that's about as useless as milk faucets on a bore hog, because you can't see around it. By the way, this is made for 45 caliber and up. So I tried it a while ago in this Colonial Rifle 50 caliber. I got it turned on real good and I dropped it down the bore, and that way it works real good. You can look down in there and actually see your rifling. So that might be beneficial after you got done cleaning. Or if you're looking at a gun that you're thinking about buying, you can kind of check the rifling in it. I would show it to you again, but really I don't have enough room with Jake back here. He thinks I've got something to eat anyway, so it'd be a little bit difficult to show you that. But anyway, I thought that was pretty neat. It's only about 10 bucks plus shipping. Another thing I ran across was what they call a muzzleloader's blackout flush cleaning system. What it is, and you look back, I've got a video on a flint flush that I ordered one time. What this does, they've got different threads. This one's a 1/4 by 28. You take the nipple out of your gun, screw this into the drum, and then theoretically you take this hose and put it off in a bucket of water. But it says something about a brass fitting. Well, guess what? It don't come with one. That hose just wants to curl up. So unless I can find something that's got a little weight to it, that's got a hole in it that I can put in that tube, I don't see where that's really going to benefit you any, unless you just somehow manage to get that straightened out. But it was only $5, so I gave it a shot. But some things you can think about. Trying to remember, Buffalo Arms is where I found both these things. I was just cruising around the other day and found them. I thought, well, I'm going to order that. Didn't cost that much, but just some things for you to chew on that you can think about, clean your muzzle loader with, help maintain it. As always, I thank you for watching. Appreciate your comments and your likes, your shares. Remember to keep your powder dry. Mind your top knot, builder.